The App Store on your iPhone runs in the background, collects information about you, and downloads without permission. These are default settings that drain your battery, fill up your storage, leak your personal data, and are just annoying as you're trying to use different apps. Let's change these 3 settings to protect your data and make your phone perform better. The first setting we'll look at is personalized recommendations. When this is on, your usage is being analyzed and collected by Apple and other organizations leaking your data. It's best to turn this off. To do this, we're going to go to Settings. Then we're going to scroll down to Apps. In Apps, we'll click on App Store. Once there, we'll scroll down to the Privacy section. And then we're going to click on Personalized Recommendations. The first thing that you'll want to do is clear your app usage data. And then we're going to go here to Account Settings. Once we're in Account Settings, you can scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Personalized Recommendations. We're just going to toggle this off. This will keep the App Store from leaking your data. Next, we're going to go back to the App Store in our settings. And then we're going to scroll up to where you see automatic downloads under cellular data. Now this is important to turn off because it's going to automatically download and update your apps even when you're not on Wi-Fi. Doing this is going to significantly drain your battery, so make sure that is turned off to help your phone run smoother for a longer amount of time. Finally, the last thing that we're going to change is right down here at the bottom where it says in-app rating and reviews. This is not dangerous. It doesn't drain your battery, but it's very annoying. This is when you're on an app and all of a sudden the app will ask you to review it. And you can either click yes or no, but it gets in the way of your app usage. I think it's best to turn this off so you're not annoyed by those requests. Changing these 3 settings in your App Store will help you have better battery life, will keep your data from being leaked, and will give you better overall usage in your apps. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.